was younger, but I was a bit restricted on how much I could play. My parents were very much go outside. I didn't get to sit and play Nintendo, Super Nintendo when those came out, and I always wanted to be more involved with games. But as I got older and life happens, I had opportunities that kind of fell through and ended up. And while I was there, I got introduced to playing card games, TCGs. And through there, it turned out I was actually kind of pretty good at them, and I ended up getting some sponsors who helped me play more, got me cards, and I represented them. And through one of those sponsors, I met a guy, Dave, who worked at Blizzard. He had just gotten a job there, and he got me an interview, and that was kind of my launch into the gaming space.